It's like, how can they report these high figures? Because it just doesn't make sense. Because if Bitcoin does 1.2 billion a day, is that how much Bitcoin's trading on a daily basis? Around about that?
Well, I would be that sounds reasonable to me, to be honest, because we take a look at the daily inflows to the Bitcoin spot ETFs. They're accumulating roughly 2,600 Bitcoin per day. That's the daily average that the Bitcoin ETFs are accumulating. So I think that's off the top of my head around 160 million. That could be incorrect, actually. I need to double check those figures. But yeah, they're accumulating a considerable amount, and that's just the buy side. And then you have traders in between. You have futures, derivatives as well. You have these high frequency algorithms. You have market maker strategies as well. So for me, especially with Coinbase, that number seems reasonable. For these smaller type platforms, yeah, I'm not too sure if I can comment on those ones. But Coinbase in particular, that seems reasonable given the market conditions at the moment.
Okay, so because there is so many exchanges now, I think there's like maybe 150 exchanges. So how do you see these exchanges? Is the market going to solidify, or what's going to happen going forward?
I think it really depends on the regulations in different areas of the market. So, regulatory conditions are evolving in the EU, the UK, and the US. Potentially becoming harder to get regulatory permissions. So, there's certain places exchanges go to, especially in Europe,